Hello everyone, this is teacher Kharen. Welcome to Fundamentals of Accounting, Business and Management 1. If you hear the word accounting, what will you think? Today I will give you some idea about accounting. Are you ready? So let us start with a story about Joe. Joe has researched his idea and has prepared a business plan that documents the valuability of his new business. Joe has also met with an attorney to discuss the form of business he should use. Given his specific situation, they conclude that a corporation will be best. Joe decides that the name of his corporation will be Direct Delivery Incorporated. That's his business plan. The attorney also advises Joe on the various permits and government identification numbers that will be needed for the new corporation. Joe is a hard worker and a smart man, but admits he is not comfortable with matters of accounting. He assumes he will use some accounting software, but wants to meet with a professional accountant. Before making his selection, he asks his banker to recommend a professional accountant who is also skilled in explaining um, accounting to someone without accounting background. So Joe wants to understand about financial statements and wants to keep on top of his new business. His banker recommends Marilyn. Marilyn, an accountant who has helped many of the bank's small business customers. At his first meeting with Marilyn, Joe asked her for an overview of accounting, financial statements, and the need of accounting software. Based on Joe's business plan, Marilyn sees that there will likely be thousands of transactions each year. She states that accounting software will allow for the electronic recording, storing, and retrieval of those many transactions. Generate financial statements that will need for running his business. Joe seems puzzled by the term transaction. So Marilyn gives him 5 examples of transactions that Direct Delivery Incorporated will need to record. The first one is Joe will no doubt start his business by putting some of his own personal money into it. In effect, he is buying shares of Direct Delivery's common stock. The second one is Direct Delivery will need to buy a sturdy, dependable delivery vehicle. And the third one is the business will begin earning fees and billing clients for delivering their parcels. The fourth one is the business will be collecting the fees that were earned. The fifth one is incur expenses in operating the business such as salaries, expenses, advertising, and etc. So all of them, they need to record everything. So with thousands of transactions each year, Joe is smart to start using accounting software right from the beginning. So accounting software will generate invoices and accounting entries, simultaneously prepare statements for customers with no additional work, write checks, automatically update accounting records. By getting into the habit of entering the all-day business transaction into his computer, Joe will be rewarded with fast and easy access. So, mas madali na sa kanya. To the specific information, he will need to make sound business decisions. So, Marilyn tells Joe that accounting transaction approach is useful, reliable, and informative. She has worked with other small business owners. So Joe enters all direct delivery transactions into his computer. Good software will allow Joe to print out his financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. So that's the story about Joe. So yan din ang ating pag-aaralan sa subject natin, accounting, fundamentals of accounting, business and management. Yan yung mga financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flow. So what is accounting? Accounting as the process of identifying, recording, and communicating economic events of an organization. So we will discuss each of them. The first one is identifying. So identifying, this includes economic events selections that are relevant to a business operation. The economic events of an organization are simply referred as transactions. So, in identifying, pumapasok na dyan yung transaction. Kung nag-purchase order ba siya, bank statements ba, sales ba, bill from supplier, or earnings, expenses, that is transaction. So, dyan siya nag-i-start. I-identify mo if capital, expense, or sales ba siya, or other operation expenses. Okay? So, sa identifying siya, naka-destiny. That is the economic event. Okay? So, we call it transaction. The next one is recording. Recording, it keeps a sequential diary of events that are measured in countries' denomination. Ibig sabihin, dito, matapos siyang i-identify kung expenses ba siya, capital ba siya, sales ba siya, i-record mo na siya. Okay? So, sa recording, kailangan maayos yung pagkakarecord, pati yung amount, para mag-balance siya at the end at maging maayos yung financial statement. So, the diaries of events in the definitions are the journals and ledgers. So, papasok na dyan yung paggamit ng journals at paggamit ng ledgers. So sa mga susunod nating lesson ay tuturo ko sa inyo paano ba mag-journal at paano ba mag-ledger. So, para siyang diary na buhay mo na every time na may transaction ka, every time na may nangyayari, kailangan mo siyang i-record. Kailangan may document, may receipt, or anything para ma-record siya ng maayos at madali siyang gawan ng statement. Okay. So, most of the time, ginagawa yan by bookkeeping and journalizing. Okay? So, accountant po ang gumagawa po yan. So, the next one is communication. Happens through the preparation and distribution of financial and accounting reports. So, dito na papasok yung mga chart, financial statements, katulad ng income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Okay, dyan na malalaman kung kumikita ba ang isang kumpanya o nalulugi na. Okay. So, basic features of accounting. Accounting is a service activity. Accounting is a process. Accounting is both an art and discipline. Accounting deals with financial information and transaction. Accounting is an information system. So automatically, all in all, accounting is a systematic recording of financial transactions and the presentation of the related information to appropriate person. So kailangan disiplinado ka dyan. Kailangan organized ka para at the end of the month o at the end of the week, hindi tayo maghahanap ng mga accounts na hindi pala natin na-record. So mahalagang mahalaga na ma-identify, ma-record, at na-communicate para yung trabaho ay maging maayos at madali ma-monitor yung nangyayari sa isang kumpanya o sa isang business. Okay? So, words of wisdom. Life is like accounting. Everything must be balanced. So, that's all. Thank you. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye po.